Okay, London session done. I took two trades. First trade is on EURCAD. EURCAD signal day, fake out day that's going in the direction of the last daily breakout level. Monthly, daily breakout levels were going in the same direction, above previous month high, above previous week high. Strong push to the above. This is my favorite signal day, as I've said in previous videos. Looking to get in at the low of the day. Traded up to the previous day high as a first target, and then the final target is at this structure high. So coming into the session, 2 p.m. It's London Open in Jakarta. That's when I start to look for trades. Um, Price pushed down, triggered the previous H8 low. The first thing I do is I look at the last bearish breakout bar, and I look to enter when price gets above that. So in this case, I also look at the time frame that I'm entering. I look at the last bearish bar, and I also make sure that I'm above this. So in this case, I waited until price got above here, but I could have taken early entry here. I just wasn't sure because of um, news today. Uh, Usually makes the market stall a bit, but decided to get in and traded it up to targeting the high of the previous week high. But when price started to reverse here, I took some partials. And I'll be holding this until news in New York. So that was one trade. Um, what else about this? I think that's it. Yesterday, faked out the previous week low, coming above the breakout high. Yep, that's a bit straightforward signal day setup for me. Second trade I took was on oil. Signal day is a fake out day with monthly and weekly breakout levels pushing down. So I have two higher time frames pushing down, coming out from the month peak formations. Um, what else? Yep, that was it. And so I'm essentially looking for a high of the day sell to the previous day low. Um, These I prefer. I treat them like trend retracement setups, where I prefer if the previous day low is untriggered and I need to be at the high of the day, and a previous H8 high has been faked out. So again, coming into the session, uh, previous H8 highs got faked out. I'll look at the breakout level and see if I can enter in that way. Price never got below this level, and then it broke out again. So I readjust my breakout level, and then once price uh, breaks below this with a breakout bar, not just a closure, but it has to break out. That tells me that the market is pushing down. I look at the breakout level because it shows me where the swing points are, and it tells me where the last level that price is trading aggressively up. And I want the same thing, but in the reverse. So entry was over here at the below the previous H8 high and below those breakout levels, particularly the M15 one. Um, yeah, and I also look at the breakout levels on the time frame that I'm entering as well. And target was all the way down to the previous day low. Um, Took a while to get there. Getting off the chart, so I took some partials on this and seeing where it goes. That's it. Two trades. I also saw Aussie Swiss. This had a triggered the previous day low, so this was a trend signal day. Um, but yeah, I mean, I didn't take this. I was busy with something else, but this would have also worked out. It's always nice to see when your setups work out. Trend signal day, trend retracement setup, 3-star setup, went all the way up. Looking at the last bullish breakout, and I try to get in when price gets in underneath that. So I'm also looking at the breakout levels on the M5. Here's one, and then it breaks out again. So this is the M5 breakout level. When this gets taken out in the reverse direction with a breakout bar, tells me that the M5 has reached a swing point and is now reversing. So you can enter right when it goes underneath. Didn't take this, but this was the other one that I was looking at. This would have worked out to 1.5R. And that's it. Did not see anything else on uh, the E30. UK 100 was a bit interesting, but I didn't like what happened here. The next bar is an inside bar, and for me, I have when an inside bar happens, that creates a range for me. So right now, I'm looking to see what happens on the edges of this range, but I'm done. Uh, Took this in the morning, still going. Yep, that's it. Gold, thought it might break out, but nothing happened. It's probably just waiting for news later. Uh, yeah, that's it.